It's run time, Sunday run day, but it's Saturday. But you'll see this on Sunday. So Sunday run day, but let's go somewhere else. All right, we're gonna run at Two Rivers today. Not just down the road, get in some good trail run. So Chad and I are gonna do 8 miles, I think, I hope. There's Chad. Chad thinks we're gonna do 10, but I think he's just talking at this point. I don't know what he's talking about.
We can't just bomb into this like we do on bikes.
I know. And I'm in road shoes, yeah.
You don't bring 25mm tires to a MTB park, and you don't bring road shoes. That's me being snobby. You like that?
These are words of wisdom from Chad. You're welcome. We're 1.6 in. We are currently on, it's the South Loop, but it's more hardcore than the Enduro is right now.
Yeah,
so
for sure.
I almost classify this as the Enduro, but don't confuse my words because it is not the Enduro. We are running the XC route that was used during the bike race. What was the bike race called? I did it. Oh yeah, single track mine. You guys probably saw that video. You watch my mountain biking videos. If not, I'll put a link in right here. We were rocking about 42 degrees. I don't know which way to put the camera. There's so much sun. We are 2.6 in is what I got. Haven't trail ran in a while. Feeling it in my calves. Look at this. We're coming up on the intersection where the Enduro, the South Loop, and kind of the West Loop intersect. Look at that, it's awesome.
Love that view. I feel good. Oh yeah. I feel good.
Chad original. The elusive Chad. Beware if you run into him in the wild. Oh!
Go around at Two Rivers is basically like a drunk cobbler in Europe trying to lay down a street for the Tour de France.
Trail work going on today. Thank you, gentlemen. Good work. Looking good. They're redoing the slope style. This is gonna be awesome. I think it was 2011 when this place opened.
What?
Yeah, I think
That's
so.
not a year that ever existed.
Okay, lap 1 done. Just right over 4 miles. And we're gonna run this backwards this next time. We are 7.25 miles in. Took a spill back there. Unfortunately, the camera lens nosedived right into the ground. It just dinged the side of the GoPro. I think it's all good, but we are almost done. 8.5-ish, 8.7-ish miles of killer trail run.
Yeah.
That was fun. If you're sitting on the couch and you're like, that's just too hard, get out and run. Bike, hop, skip, jump, do the worm. It doesn't matter. Just get out and do it. You guys know what to do. Subscribe, like, leave me a comment. Let me know where you ran, how far you biked, anything, any type of workout. Thanks for joining me. And as always, get out there, run, bike, build, and just have fun.
See you in the next one.